Sunfish HR Service has the Performance Setting module, which enables the authorized user to configure a simple performance form. This video will show you how to configure a simple performance form. Now, go to Setting and choose Performance Form Setting. Afterwards, you'll see the records of performance form. Click the plus button. Then, an add form will appear on your screen. In this form, two fields are required to be filled: code and description. Type in the code of the performance period. Next, type in the description. In the form date, you can choose two options. By admin is used for period form, in which you can manage the period of the current performance. There will be additional fields appear below the option to choose the range of period of performance evaluation in the target setup date. Meanwhile, choose by user for non-periodic form so that the user does not need to manage the period. The next field is question weight type, which is the calculation type of the performance period. If you choose credit, then the calculation will be based on credit, which means score multiple credit, divide total credit. Whereas choosing percentage will set the calculation to be score multiple weight divide total weight. The last field is grade. You can select an option or select multiple options with Ctrl plus mouse click and move it to the right box. At the bottom of the page, there are two buttons. Click Cancel to abort adding a new performance form. Click Submit to save changes. It will then appear on the record list. Now, set the questions for the performance form. Click the Set Question icon in line with the performance form to open the detail form. In Conclusion selection box, choose an option. It is used as a final evaluation of the employee's performance. You can decide whether to show the questions for all positions in a company, or to show the questions only for certain position. If you want to show the questions for certain position, click the option and unfold the selection box to choose the certain position. Next, click Question Composition button to view the composition of the score. In this window, you can print, export to MS Excel, export to PDF, and close the window. You will return to the previous page. Now, in Detail Question Group, there are several columns: Category, Category or Question Name, Question for, Target, Actual, Scoring, Weight. You will also see the icons at the left side of the columns. Meanwhile, these two icons are used to manage the position of the question. The first question has to be set as category. Then, type in the question name. The question for column will be automatically filled based on the selection in Show Questions for field. Then, type in the weight. The minus icon here is used to remove the row. Add another row by clicking the plus button. It's not necessary to set the question as category in the second row. Continue typing in the category or question name. Next, set the target. In Actual column, unfold the selection box to select the option. The option can be customized. Therefore, select Customized Score option. A button will appear below the selection box. Click it and it will direct you to open a pop-up window. Range value is to set up the range of the score, while list value is to set the value to different value list. Continue by filling the next field. Click Cancel to abort any action and return to the previous page. Click Submit to save the configuration. Next, choose the scoring option and type in the weight. The next group is Additional Notes. You can add additional notes for this performance form. The Amount selection box defines the number of additional notes rows that you are going to provide. If you are not sure to add this configuration, click Cancel. But if you are certain, click Submit to record the details. When you return to the main page of Performance Form Setting, click the icon in the Preview column in line with the previous performance form. It enables you to preview the questions you have composed beforehand. Click Cancel to return to the previous page. Finally, you will be able to configure a simple performance form.